Hey there, welcome back to Craft Vinci. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Cami and today I will be sublimating on these sequin heart pillows that came from Dollar Tree. I already printed the graphics on a Sawgrass sublimation printer which is set to auto mirror to make sure I never forget to do so because I have done them before. And before I forget, make sure to go to my image library on my blog to download this graphic for free. The link is in the description down below. I do not have experience with sublimating these pillows. This is definitely a learning curve for me as well. I started with the gold side thinking that the red and black in my print would turn out really nice. I pressed it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 seconds, and obviously I taped my image down as well so it would not shift. But once I peeled it back, I really realized that it did not transfer well at all. Kind of disappointing. Now I'm trying the silver pillow, taping it down really securely and using the same exact settings of 400 degrees and 60 seconds. And I'm really hoping for some good results, but we'll see once we pull the paper back. And the silver really shows off the detail. I am very excited. I also tried to sublimate the names in black on the red sequins with decent success. I should have made them much larger for better visibility. And of course, the back of the pillows is polyester, which was perfect for adding even more personalization. Overall, this project was a success, especially since the pillows were only $1.25 each and they gave me a fun way to hide a cute message for my kiddos. That is it for the video. If you have enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are interested in viewing content like this in the near future, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.